Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to earn extra cash without leaving your home? Imagine having the freedom to work when you want, where you want, and still make a solid income each day. Well, today I'm about to share 5 side hustles that can bring in $100 or more daily right from the comfort of your couch. These aren't just any side hustles, they're tried and true ways to make consistent income while maintaining your personal freedom. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just someone wanting to earn more, I've got you covered. Stick around till the end because our number 1 side hustle could be the game changer you've been looking for. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's start climbing the money ladder together. 5. Freelance writing. Let's kick off our countdown with freelance writing, a side hustle that's perfect if you enjoy crafting words and expressing ideas. Freelance writing can encompass a wide range of projects, from blog posts and articles to product descriptions, newsletters, and even social media content. You don't need to be an experienced journalist to get started. All it takes is a strong grasp of grammar and a willingness to learn. Many companies and website owners need written content but don't have time to do it themselves, so they hire freelance writers to fill the gap. There are several platforms where you can find writing gigs, like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger. These sites allow you to create a profile showcasing your skills, interests, and writing samples. When you start out, you may need to accept lower-paying jobs to build your reputation, but as your portfolio grows, you can start charging more. Many writers earn around $0.05 $10 per word, which can add up quickly if you take on a few projects a day. With experience and a strong client base, it's absolutely possible to make $100 a day or more from freelance writing, all while working on your own schedule and from your own home. 4. Virtual assistant. Next up at number 4 is becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. As a VA, you're essentially a remote helper for businesses or individuals who need assistance with various tasks. Virtual assistants are in high demand right now, as more people and companies are working remotely and need help organizing their workload. The types of tasks you might do as a VA vary widely, which makes it a versatile option. Some common tasks include managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media accounts, doing research, and even customer support. To get started, you don't necessarily need previous experience. Skills like strong communication, organization, and basic computer knowledge can go a long way. Websites like Belay, Time, etc., and Upwork offer plenty of opportunities to find clients looking for virtual assistants. The pay for VAs can range from $15 to $25 per hour, which means you could make $100 in just 4 to 5 hours of work. With time, as you build relationships and gain specialized skills, you can increase your rates even more. If you enjoy helping others stay organized and have great attention to detail, this could be a fulfilling side hustle that brings in consistent income while allowing you to work from home. 3. Online tutoring. Sliding into spot number 3, we have online tutoring, an excellent side hustle if you're knowledgeable in a particular subject or skill. With the growth of virtual learning, more students than ever are turning to online tutoring to get help with their studies. The beauty of online tutoring is its flexibility. You can teach from home, set your own hours, and even choose the age group or subject area you're most comfortable with. Subjects like math, science, English, and history are always in demand, but you can also find tutoring gigs for foreign languages, coding, music, and even life skills like organization or test preparation. To get started, you'll need a reliable internet connection, a computer with a webcam, and a quiet space to teach. You can join tutoring platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or even create your own website and find clients directly through social media or networking. Most online tutoring platforms will handle payment and scheduling for you, which makes it easy to focus on your lessons. Tutors typically earn around $20 to $30 per hour, so with just a few hours each day, you can hit that $100 goal. And as you build a reputation, you can increase your rates or take on specialized tutoring, like advanced subjects or test prep, which pays even more. Not only is this side hustle a fantastic way to make money, but it's also incredibly rewarding to help students achieve their goals and build their confidence. 2. Selling digital products. Our runner-up, coming in at number 2, is selling digital products. This side hustle has become a go-to option for creatives and entrepreneurs alike because of its potential for passive income. Here's how it works. You create a digital product that people can download or print, and once you've designed it, you can sell it repeatedly without any additional effort. Digital products can include ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, planners, stock photos, art prints, and much more. What's great about digital products is that, unlike physical items, you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or handling returns. Once a customer buys your product, they instantly receive it, and you get paid. To get started, think about what type of product would appeal to a specific audience. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you might create planner pages or social media templates. Or if you're knowledgeable in a certain field, you could write an ebook or create an online course. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it easy to list and sell digital products. You'll need some upfront time to design and create the product, but once it's ready, it can keep generating income for months or even years with minimal maintenance. Many digital product creators make well over $100 a day as their products gain popularity. So, if you're looking for a way to leverage your skills and creativity into a passive income stream, selling digital products could be the perfect fit. Affiliate marketing. And finally, our top side hustle to make $100 a day from home is affiliate marketing. This powerful side hustle is a favorite because it allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies, without needing to create or handle the products yourself. The concept is simple. You find products you love or that align with your brand, promote them through a unique affiliate link, and earn a percentage of each sale made through that link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its passive potential, making it a go-to for anyone looking to earn consistently online. To get started, you'll need a platform to share your recommendations, whether that's a blog, a YouTube channel, a social media account, or even an email list. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate provide a vast selection of products across almost every category imaginable, from health and wellness to tech and lifestyle. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing products you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. Building trust is essential. People are more likely to buy through your link if they feel your recommendation is honest and helpful. Affiliate commissions can range from a few percent on large marketplaces like Amazon to 20% or more on specialized products, especially in industries like digital services or software. With strategic promotion, it's possible to earn $100 or more a day as you grow your audience and increase clicks on your links. And once your content is out there, it can continue generating income over time, giving you a truly passive revenue stream. If you're looking for a side hustle that offers significant potential for long-term growth and recurring income, affiliate marketing is a fantastic choice and one of the best ways to climb the money ladder from home. And there you have it. 5 incredible side hustles that can bring you $100 or more every single day, all from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to start small or dream big, each of these options can fit into your lifestyle and help you reach your financial goals. The key to success is finding the hustle that best suits your skills and interests, then sticking with it. Remember, consistency and patience are your best friends on this journey. If you enjoyed this video and found these ideas helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to The Money Ladder for more tips on growing your income and building the life you want. Drop a comment below and let us know which side hustle you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling, keep climbing, and remember, you're just one step away from reaching new heights.